Hello from Stumbles.
And Fumbles.
So today we're always looking at doing things to upgrade our cargo trailer just to make it more fitting for us. So there's one thing that we've been lacking, and don't laugh at us, but it seems like every time we're in the camper at night and we're watching a movie on the iPads or something, we get the munchies. And we always have left our munchies in the back of the trailer. And to get to them, we have to go crawl out, deal with the dogs wanting to get out, go back, open up the back door to get into our kitchen area. So we are going to put a pass-through in. We're just going to cut out the wood and put in some hinges and make it into a door. Anything?
No, just excited to get this project done.
All right, stick around.
So in order for us to make the passway from the back in the sleeping area into the kitchen, we need to first move this little container here because we want the passway to be centered in the back of the trailer. So let's go ahead and get started on doing that, and that's going to be our first step. So I went ahead and removed the boards that we had right here against the wall. To get this thing off, I honestly could not remember how we attached it. So I'm going to go ahead and take the board off, which actually may come in handy because it'll give us more room to make a door. So it's probably a good thing that I'm taking off this wood. So let's go ahead and go on to the next step. So here you can see the final project. The door is open, and I am actually inside the cargo trailer looking to the outside kitchen area. And we'll go ahead and shut it so you can see what it looks like shut. Okay, so you can see how the lock is set up. We've got a nice handle to pull it open from this side. I'll zoom in on that. There's our handle to pull it, and we've got the hinges attached. I've stained it, and please don't judge me on my stain job. It's not perfect, and it did bleed into the wood behind it, but we're the only ones that are going to be in here seeing it, so I guess if we can tolerate it, then it is what it is. But there you go. That is the final product. So now we need to just get out camping and use this and actually test it out, and then you know that we will be showing you a video of what it's like when we're actually outdoors camping. We appreciate you watching this video and hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.